Okay, welcome to another day of math meeting. Let's start how we always start. How many days are there in a week? Can you remember without counting? There are 7 days in a week. Let's sing the song. Ready? There are 7 days. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. And what is today? Yesterday was Monday, which makes today Tuesday. Tuesday. Say, today is Tuesday on 3. 1, 2, 3. Today is Tuesday. Very good. Moving on to months of the year. How many months are there in a year? Let's count this one just for fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 months in a year. Let's do that song. You can stand up on the ground and you can do the dance and the song with me if you want to. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Very good, kindergarten. And we are in the month of, what month are we in? January? No. December? September, right? Getting to the end of the year. Close to the end of 2020. Let's move on to our calendar. Yesterday was this day. What is that day? 2-8 makes the 28th. The 28th of September was yesterday, and which makes this is today. Let's count from 20 up to today, okay? Ready, go. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. What two numbers make up a 29? A 2 and an 8. Very good. And what's the shape that's going to be our 29? If we go circle, square, yesterday was a circle, which makes today a square. 29. September 29th. TH at the end of 29th makes the sound. So let's move on to writing our date. I'll scoot you over here. Today's date, what goes first? What do we do first? The month, right? Which is, as we said before, September. We're almost to the end of September. Wow. So, first letter in September, do you remember? It's covered up right now on your screen, but do you remember? Yeah, it's a capital S. A capital S, because it's the important name of a month. So, capital S, touch that top strawberry line, touch that bottom chocolate line, and next, capital S, next letter makes the sound. Yep, an E. This is going to be halfway between the vanilla line and the chocolate line. Gonna cross over and then touch vanilla and touch chocolate. I forgot to tell you earlier, but if you have your whiteboard, you are welcome to follow along and write the date with me. That would be awesome. If you want to send a picture, it would be even awesomer. But whatever you are able to do is just fine. S, E, next letter is makes the p sound. It's a P, right? A P. You are going to draw a line below chocolate and then make a circle, touch vanilla, touch chocolate, just like that. We have S, E, P, T, T. This sound makes the T, T sound. This one is the T. And We do not make that little tail, that little hook at the bottom. That's just a fancy T. So our T's are just going to go from strawberry down to chocolate and then cross on vanilla, just like that. Do you know what the next letter is? We have an S, E, P, T. This one isn't, makes the sound again. Yep, another E, another E. Once again, we're going to be between vanilla and chocolate, cross over and around. Touch that vanilla and touch that chocolate on the bottom. We have September. This one makes the sound. That's going to be an M, right? This one, you go from vanilla down to chocolate and you make 2 bumps. Bump and another bump. Very good. So we have ba, ba, ba. What letter makes that ba, ba sound? Yeah, B. This one, you're going to go from the top strawberry line down to chocolate, and you put a belly to the right. Belly to the right. We don't want to make a D, we want to make a B. So we have September. What letter is this? It's another E, right? Our third E. And then the E after that is an R. When those 2 letters are together, it doesn't make the sound, it makes the sound. September. See that? So at the end of September, we have an E and an R. Make a line in the middle, curve around just like before, and then to make the R, go from vanilla to chocolate and give it a little hook. So we have September. That's our month. Not for much longer though. And our day in September, we found it before, the 29th. TH. Maybe you can hear that, I don't know. 29th. So what 2 numbers make up 29? 2 and a 9, right? For a 2, you curve around and go to the right on chocolate. That's a 2. And then a 9 is a circle and a line, right? Circle up top here, circle and a line. Very good. We have September 29th. And then what comes next after we have our 29? Yeah, our cute little comma, our cute little sideways smile. Just like that. September 29, comma, and now we can put in our year, right? And we are in the year of 2020. Yes. First number in 2020 is a 2. Same as before. Curve around, slide to the right. Next one is a 0. Those are easy, as long as you touch the top strawberry and the bottom chocolate. So we have 2, 0. And then another 2. Same as before. Curve on down and slide to the right. And our last number in our year is another 0. You ever notice that our year right now is a pattern too? It goes 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0. So it repeats itself. All right. You know what to do. Now we're going to announce it, right? Grab your pencil or your marker and let's announce it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is September 29th, 2020. Very good, kindergarten. Let's move on to our pattern. Today's pattern, we have 3 numbers here. And those 3 numbers are going to repeat themselves, right? Say the pattern with me. We're going to say all 3 together. Ready? 5, 9, 6. 5, 9, 6. So what is going to be right after our 6? What's our first point going to be? If this pattern repeats itself, what's going to be next after the 6? Yep, a 5, because the pattern is starting over. And to make a 5, we go down and around and make a hat. Down and around and give it a hat, just like that. So, say it with me, what we have so far. Ready? 5, 9, 6, 5. Next would be a 9, another 9. And to make a 9, it's a circle and a line, just like our 29, just like in 29. Circle and a line. Circle and a line make number 9. And next, we have our last one, a 6. A 6, right? For 6s, you slant on down and make it and give it a curl. Slant on down and give it a curl. Very good. And as always, good mathematicians always check their work, so we're going to do it too. Ready? 5, 9, 6. 5, 9, 6. Good job, kindergarten. Let's move on to our days in school, counting those out. We are up to how many now? 22. 22 days in school so far, which makes today, what comes after 22? You could look at our calendar if you don't remember and if you don't want to count. After 22, which is the 2 2s, right here, comes a 23. Yup, 23. And what two numbers make 23? A 2 and a 3. Yup. 23 days of school. Congratulations. Almost a quarter of the way there. Very good. So, 23 days in school. Let's cut it out on our blocks. We have how many full groups of 10 here? How many full groups of 10? Yeah, 2 full groups right here, right? And 2 extras, because that was yesterday, we had 22. Now we have 23, and I'm going to put the third one. Do I put it on here, here, or here? Yep, I have to put it on the smallest one because these are already full. The groups of 10 are already full. So I'm going to put it on the extras. We have 3 extras for 23. Very good. So next, we have our chart where if you guys were here in school, one of you would help me to fill in the 23rd square right here, right here. So I'll do that now. I color the lines, only the 23rd square. Not any more than that, see? Very good. Last thing we have to do for our days in school is the chart that's up there, the days in school chart. As we said before, how many full groups of 10 is there in 23? 2 full groups, 23. 2 full groups of 10. So we're going to put that in this box because it's the tens group. The T is for tens. 2 full groups of 10. And how many little baby extras do we have? How many little baby extras? 3. There are 3 extras in 23. So that goes in the ones column, and ones starts with the letter O. So that's why there's an O up there. 3 extras, right? All right, students, let's move on to the weather chart, the weather graph over here. You can have a moment to go check the weather outside your house. We'll see if it matches up with mine, my prediction from my phone. And while you do that, I will sing the weather song. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? I have that it's a cloudy day. A lot of times in fall, in autumn, there are a lot of cloudy days. So I'm going to put that in our cloudy column over here. And look, who's in the lead now? for the most days? Is it sunny, cloudy, rainy, or snowy? Sunny and cloudy actually have the same. They have the same number. Let's sing the cloudy song. It's a cloudy on three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. It's a cloudy day, boys and girls. All right. So yeah, sunny and cloudy are tied right now. They have the same. They're both in the lead. Let's move on to our very last thing of the day. Let's talk about what this is. Do you remember the name of this coin? Yeah, it's a penny. A penny. Abraham Lincoln is on the front of our pennies. And do you remember how much is a penny worth? How much money is in a penny? 1 cent, just 1 cent, right? Not a dollar, but 1 cent. Yeah, you need 100 pennies to make up a dollar, actually. Only 1 cent in a penny. And that's all I have for you today, kindergartners. I hope you have a great day today. Work hard in your homework, and I will see you later for Read Aloud. Bye.